2,000 years ago. First diamond in South America, 18th century, and South Africa, 19th century. We also work with company from South Africa, which is called De Beers. If you look please on this map behind you, you will see the countries where diamonds are found nowadays. I think everybody knows that South Africa is the leader of diamond mining. They have a lot of diamonds now. Australia has a lot of big diamonds. India, a lot of yellowish diamonds, and also the oldest diamonds come from this country. Russia has 2 diamond mines. Canada is very famous for ethnological mining. And Brazil also has a lot of different colors diamonds. Later I will show you also real diamonds in the showing room. At the beginning, just let's see, the diamond is crystallized carbon and is the hardest mineral on Earth. Most often it's found in this double pyramid shape. To become a jewelry, the stone has to pass through 3 stages of process. It must be cut, shaped and polished. So how it's cut? Today, of course, we use computer technology and lasers. Earlier it was cut with such instrument. This is phosphorus bronze blade. This blade is impregnated with diamond dust and olive oil. Actually, every time we work with diamonds, we always use this special mixture of olive oil and diamond dust. Why diamond dust? Because it's hardest mineral on Earth, and only with diamond dust we can cut it, we can shape it, and we can polish it. So diamond is always cut in 2 parts. One part will be cut as big as possible for commercial reasons. This will be our future jewelry. Another smaller part will be used for diamond dust. So after cutting, we shape it. Shaping is the process when we make diamond just a little bit rounded. It's still not shiny, it's still just a stone. To make it more visible for you, these 2 cut parts, they put an instrument and they rotate against each other. So this will be our rounded shape, and this will be our dust. When we shaped it, we bring we polish it. The polishers, later you can see we have only one person working today. So the polisher presses diamond against iron cast wheel. This wheel is also impregnated with diamond dust and olive oil, and this wheel rotates at speed 3,000 revolutions per minute, so very, very fast. Of course, polishers brings facets and then checks with a special loop if they are correct. In the beginning, the polisher brings only 9 facets, 5 on top and 4 underneath, and of course, everything has its own name. The flat part is called table. This point part is called coulee. This is crown and this is pavilion. This all names of proportions are very important when polisher is working. This stage is also called a cross cut. You can see cross if you look through it. Yeah, you can see cross. So this is table, and we always say if you look through the table, you can see cross. Yeah. You see it? So 9 faces in the beginning. This is a cross, yeah. Cross. So 9 faces in the beginning. Then polisher adds more 17 facets, and only by adding last 40 facets we have already our jewelry. We have brilliant 57 facets. So you see, from a diamond is a stone, brilliant is already jewelry. From a stone to a jewelry, we lose approximately 50-60% of a stone. But all diamond dust will be always collected. It's not just thrown up somewhere. It's always collected to cut glass for industrial purposes, to work with diamonds. Here in this company, our expert was working 3 years long with different mathematical proportions, and he could add to these 57 facets extra 64, and we have now our Gassan 1-to-1 cut with 121 facets. Later on real diamonds you will see, of course, the difference between diamond 57 facets and 121 facets. Guys, now please just take 1 minute to look around, make photos, and we are going to showing room. I will show real diamonds, explain prices. Before the invention of this system, actually every country had their own idea how diamonds should be graded. So there was really miscommunication. No of everything, but no, please no me. So diamonds are, so 4C stands for carat, color, clarity and cut. Carat is actually the weight of a stone. I think everybody knows it. 1 carat is equal to 0.2 grams. This is new people. Sorry again. It's very busy today. Everybody woke up too early, actually. Please welcome. Please, you can come here because I will show diamonds. It's better if you see it. Grams, or we also call it 100 points here in Europe. The word carat comes from a tree which grows in Mediterranean. Each seed is like a bean. Each bean of this tree is equal to 0.2 grams. And in ancient times, as you understand, it was really truthful unit of weight. They put diamonds or another gemstones on one side and seeds on the other side. So, and then they could see. Sorry, sir. And then they could see how heavy are the stones. So this is carat. Color. Diamonds are possible to be found in any color. They can be red, pink, violet, any rainbow color. But in this system, only colorless diamonds are graded. I will later explain you why. System begins with D and E, exceptional white plus and exceptional white. This means that stones are colorless and have a little bit of blue shine. Of these two colors, only 2% in the world are found. They are very rare and therefore they're very expensive. FG8, rare white plus, rare white white, means that stones also are colorless. They have color of ice or glass of water, for example. From I to MO, more yellowish will be seen in the stones. These are also good stones, but they're more found in nature. That's why the price drops. As you see, the system begins with D. The alphabet begins with ABC. There are no colors of ABC yet because scientists left a little bit of space for themselves. Maybe in future nature will give us an exceptional color and they will add it. So at this moment D is the best one. There is also another category which is not listed here. It's called fancy colors. As I told you, diamonds are possible in any color, but these colors are so rare that they do not fit the system. I will give you just a small example. There is a green diamond in Dresden Museum, and it has a color of green apple, and it's priceless in this moment because it's only one of such, maybe like this color, like green apple. It's only one at this moment. That's why it's priceless. So you can imagine how expensive they can be. Clarity is actually how pure is the stone. All stones all natural stones have some inclusions of impurities in it. It can be black points or milky stains or scratches within a stone or any enclosed mineral. Loop clean means perfect stone, no inclusions at all. So what all this abbreviation means? VVS stands for very, very small inclusions. Actually, these first four categories, only expert with special loop can see these impurities. For people who are not experts, impurities are not possible to see, but price of VS, very small inclusion 2 and very, very small inclusion 1 will be really tremendously different. Yeah. SI1 and 2 stands for small inclusions. They are possible to see also for people who are not experts if you have a special loop at home. PK stands for impurities that can be seen with the naked eye and even can diminish the shyness of a stone. Of course, the price drops. Last category, cut, is actually a shape of stone, depends on your taste. Oval, princess, heart shape. There are really a lot of different cuts. Here the most commercial ones are presented. Of course, we believe that Ghassan 1:1 is the best cut. It's our cut, gentlemen. I explained to another group. Our expert was working 3 years long to achieve this cut. It's a cut with 121 facets. Later I'll also show you the example. Yeah, let's see.
So the brilliant
Color. So it will be colorless stones with a little bit of yellow shine. And they have small inclusions. Yeah, they brought me Clelias, no problem. Please, thank you. Yeah, this is mine. Just all necessary stuff, not all stuff from home. Okay. And this is brilliant cut, 57 facets. Okay. I will show you closer, just a moment. I will show you closer. So this is okay. If there's pink, we have to catch it. Yeah. 57 facets, colorless diamonds with a little bit of yellow shine. Suitable for earrings or for watches. Such stone is better to put in yellow gold. It will give complement to the stone and it will like give brightness to the stone. A little bit more than half carat is 52 points. It's E-color, so it will be colorless diamond with blue shine, exceptional. And small inclusions, so also good clarity. Before showing you the stone, I will show you proportions. These are the proportions of from up and from beneath, 121 in total. Our expert was working with 3 years long with different mathematical proportions to achieve this cut, and we have a pattern for this cut, so only we can cut it. We have the right to cut it. It's half carat. You see a little bit of blue shine in comparison with the first one?
Yes.
This is E-color.
This is E-color, yeah. Exceptional color. Small inclusions. And the color you can see yourself. This is already fancy color, which I told you is not stated here. Fancy colors are very rare. I will put it on my hand because it's heart-shaped form, and sometimes it's pink. So you see it's a little bit rose, even violet a little bit. Very light pink. You see a little bit pink? Very light pink. This is 1 carat. Price of this stone is 10,000 euros, 105. If such stone was vivid pink, if it was intense pink, we could speak about 30,000 euros. So of course, spectrum of all rainbow colors, but the stone itself is just white. Guys, for all colors, experts have master stones, and when they get all new yellow, blue, and just white.